Good morning, everybody. This is Justin again. Just want to do a quick live on pretty much a plastic surgery and IV therapy. So why I feel IV therapy is really important for post-op plastic surgery or any post-op surgery is because it's an effective way to replenish nutrients and rehydrating the body. So you also want to increase your blood flow by getting an IV drip because you're more sedentary, you're laying down because you're not feeling well, especially after these procedures, you're exhausted. The best vitamins you want to put in your body is the vitamin C and zinc. Those are really important because you want to master antioxidants and it's like one of the good ones. There's better one like glutathione, but there's also zinc, which wants to increase the healing process, the wound process. You want to make sure you want to get that in your system ASAP. IV therapy helps reduce the risk of post-op blood clots. Never knew that, but you know what? They have it now that since now it increases blood flow, you're going to have a chance of reducing any blood clots because, some people get PEs or just a blood clot behind their calf or their arm, just depending where the surgical site is. And that's why they encourage you to move around a lot, but also getting an IV hydration is just going to benefit you tremendously. It helps flush out the toxins and any kind of medication residues that might have been accumulated in the body, like anesthesia, any kind of sedatives, to help you relax. It also increases organ perfusion and breaks down complex molecules and ensures electrolyte and pH balance. Very important for the ladies as well with the pH balance, but also good electrolytes for everybody. One of my favorite drips actually to put inside a recovery for a post-op client is the NAD because it's the most rapid recovery. And I'll tell you why. Because it goes inside the cellular tissues, and the cellular molecules, and everyone that has cells in their body, everyone has cells, right? So it goes in and it recovers. It goes right into the cell directly, and it helps speedy up, which it goes inside the mitochondria and provides that energy that you need, and also has anti-aging properties. So I feel like it's really good. I would suggest to add that. Also helps with brain fog and helps for post-op lethargy, and improves mental clarity. So you want to make sure you get one of those. You can always book with me. I'll be super grateful. We come to you as well, so the NAD is really, really good. And I'll tell you a little bit more why it's good for like mental clarity, because it's going all over where your cells at. Where the cells are, they're everywhere. So it's kind of just basically a good antioxidant and removes all the the leftover stuff that's from the surgery or like any medications as well. B vitamins is really good for energy. So your B complex is a very good choice to add on into your IV drip. And it's also good for nerve repair. Magnesium is another one. It's good. It helps with muscle spasms. It helps relax the muscles. And it's actually a very common issue that a lot of post-op clients have. Yeah, I'm a really big fan of magnesium. Always have been, it's going to help you feel better and just actually go where the muscles are, where you could prevent those cramps. Imagine you having like a Charlie horse while you just had a BBL or a tummy tuck or lipo 360. That must be awful. So I always would suggest getting a magnesium inside your IV. Let's see. That's another good thing. You always want to incorporate, IV drips, and within 3 days post-op, because I'll tell you a little bit more why. Because you want to maximize its benefits and you want to maximize your recovery. Everything's about the benefits for you, but also to recovery for yourself. You want to get better. You don't want to be in bed all the time. You want to get moving. Surgeons and post-op nurses always encourage movement. Get up, let's get moving, because they want you to have that circulation so you won't have a blood clot. NAD and IV vitamin therapy, clients can actually experience a more efficient but also comfortable recovery instead of you not doing it, because they've done studies where they did clients without it and clients with it, and there's been a huge recovery time with patients, you know. For instance, it would be, let's say it takes 7 days with the IV therapy or NAD, it'll probably end up being 4 or 5 days. So you'll be able to recover a lot more faster. Just an example. Let's see. IV therapy also helps with inflammation, helps with pain, and enhance healing. And it's amazing. Just can't go wrong. So just wanted to be on here real quick to the YouTube channel and kind of talk a little bit about it, you know, of also the benefits of IV therapy post-op, any plastic surgery, BBL, tummy tucks, lipo 360, facelift, anything, or any kind of elective surgery that you like, that you want to do to help with your wellness. You know, I'm your guy. You could book with me. You could book with me on the Instagram, in the DMs, which is Vega IV Drip and Wellness, or you could go on the website, Vega IV Drip and Wellness LLC.com, and you could fill out the intake form, and we'll go over a good time as well. You can even do booking. There's booking as well. I have it's powered by Square, so you can kind of pick the date and time that you see that I'm available, and I'll be more happy to go with you, and I'll let you know if I could. If I can't, then we could pick a time that works for the both of us. You could also text me or call me at 941-803-6863. All right, guys. Thank you, and have a great Wednesday.